Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is April 22nd, 2025, and we're diving deep into Ethereum, also known as ETHUSD. We'll be analyzing the recent news and chart data to see what's next for this cryptocurrency. First, let's start with the news based on recent Google searches. We're seeing headlines about surprising whale accumulation, predictions of a massive price crash to $800 by legendary trader Brandt, and potential bull rallies if Ethereum breaks through $2,330. Vitalik Buterin has proposed a major upgrade for Ethereum's core software, potentially revamping it with a simpler, more modern system called RISC-V. Ethereum gas fees have also crashed thanks to the Dencun upgrade, with Layer 2 fees now as low as 1 cent. Now, let's move on to the chart data. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a period of volatility and price fluctuations over the past few months. We see peaks and valleys, reflecting the bullish and bearish perspectives mentioned in the news. Let's narrow down to a more recent time frame, from December 2024 to today. We see that Ethereum was trading around $4,000, and now it's around $3,200, so it has corrected quite a bit since December. Let's dive into the 1-hour chart for a closer look at more recent price action. Here we can see more granular movements, with shorter-term support and resistance levels becoming more apparent. We can see a period of sideways consolidation followed by a recent uptick. Given the news about the proposed RISC-V upgrade, this might be a sign of renewed confidence in Ethereum's long-term potential. However, the massive price crash predicted by Brandt may still be looming over the market, so caution is advised. Now, let's zoom into the 15-minute chart. On this smaller time frame, we can clearly see the intraday volatility and pinpoint key levels for short-term trades. Keep an eye on potential breakouts above resistance levels for bullish signals and breakdowns below support levels for bearish signals. It is important to note that Ethereum Fear and Greed Index is currently at a neutral 44, so the market is indecisive, but the bulls have a slight edge. In summary, key price levels to watch are the resistance around $3,300 and support around $3,000. If ETH breaks above $3,300, we might see a move towards $3,500. However, a break below $3,000 could lead to a more significant correction, possibly down to $2,500 or even lower. Based on the news, the likelihood of a bull rally in the short term is 60% given the upgrade proposal. The likelihood of a crash to $800 in the long term is around 20% because that prediction came from only one source, and the data isn't pointing that way. Keep an eye on news related to the RISC-V proposal, gas fee reductions, and overall market sentiment to gauge the future direction of Ethereum. Ultimately, understanding both the news and the chart data is crucial for making informed trading decisions in the volatile world of cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.